Meaning of disallow.
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 Disallow. The word disallow means to forbid or prohibit something from happening. It is typically used in situations where a rule or regulation has been set and someone or something is found to be in violation of that rule. When something is disallowed, it is not permitted to continue or happen. This can result in consequences such as fines, penalties, or even legal action. Essentially, the act of disallowing serves as a way to maintain order and ensure that everyone follows the established guidelines.